Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, my name's Sue from 1A Auto, and today on our 07 Mazda 3 we're going to show you the lift points on this vehicle. And if you need parts for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. On this 2007 Mazda 3 sedan, the lift points for the jack are here in the front. You'll see a pinch out on the body rail. My lift is on it right now, but it looks identical to the back here. There's a cutout, and that's where the floor jack will go to lift your vehicle. Both sides in the rear are the same, and in the front, both sides are the same.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.